Still on infrastructure, as part of efforts to maintain the interior road network, the Guyana Geology and Mines Commission says scales will be installed within the next 3 months to ensure vehicles traversing these roads are not overweight. Details in this report.
Manager of the Guyana Geology and Mines Commission's Special Projects Unit, Arun Richard, says a number of scales have already been acquired by the Ministry of Public Infrastructure and will be installed shortly.
I would say within about 3 months. We're still to define which sections of the carriageways we're going to put it, but they're going to be strategic such that they'll have a wide effect, so that one placement can be used to determine vehicles that would use maybe several roads, like Linden, for example.
In addition, Richard says stakeholders of the mining and logging communities have indicated their willingness to comply with the new arrangements.
From a transportation engineering perspective, we'd rather rely on the strength of the system as opposed to a gentleman's agreement. And this is why we've resorted to installing skills and advocating for more responsible use of the road. So to expect cooperation would be not the best solution, but I'm thinking to have an enforced system in place. That would be the ideal situation to aim for.
The GGMC has recently awarded contracts valued almost $700 million for the upgrade and maintenance of interior roads from Linden to Kokwani and Linden to Lethem. Renetta Lafleur for InfoHub.